It's a standard procedure. They probably have found disproportionate asset. म्हणून त्यांनी कारवाई केली.
So Congress has said raid as politically motivated.
What are motivated?
Factual position. Does Congress refute factual position? Whether there is a disproportionate asset or not, I think ACB has taken a press briefing in which they have explained you what is the level of disproportionate asset.
Personally,
so they have, I don't have to monitor such cases. ACB will do their job. मुझे लगने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उनको डॉक्यूमेंट कलेक्ट करने में, ट्रांसलेट करने में काफ़ी समय लगा. थोड़ा मुझे, इफ़ यू आस्क मी, थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा ज़रूरत से. लेकिन I feel that ultimately they have completed the probe, so now they have filed an FIR. Initially it was just preliminary inquiry.
So do you think it is not a political motivated case?
No, why should it be political? It is a FIR based on fact. The facts are there. Is someone refuting the fact? He can give the evidence of it. So obviously preliminary inquiry indicated prima facie strong evidence in favor of the further investigation. That's why FIR has been launched. So that further investigation will be carried out. And then the charge sheet, if enough evidences are available, charge sheet will be filed.
बाबू म्हणटा फाटली 7 वर्सां आपण हे केशीत तपासात सहकार्य करता, आतांय करतलो.
रेट म्हणल्यार आतां म्हाका खूब जाण प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स फोन करीत आसात. त्यांच्या तेच सांगलाय रेट म्हणल्यार म्हाका खबर ना ते रेट मारपाक पर्पज कितें म्हणल्यार मारूं न्ही. तशें करून कितें आदार तांकां मेळटा काय मेळपाचो प्रश्नय ना. आयज पर्यंत तांकां हांव कॉपरेट करीत आसा. गेली 2010 साकून आयज 17 म्हणल्यार 7 वर्सां जाली तेंची इन्क्वायरी चालू आसा. ते प्रूफ सगळे दिल्ले आसा. सीए मार्फत सगळे दिल्ले आसा. तेंचे सीएन चेक केल्ले आसा. A to Z. जेन्ना जेन्ना त्या घराडे हे एकच पावल, ही पयलीच पावल न्ही, अनेक पावली पयली घराडे येयलात. आनी आयिल्ले पावली तेंकां कॉपरेट केला. A to Z तेमी सगळे ज्यो वस्तू पयली साकून आयज पर्यंत जे घरां आसात त्यो सगळे तेंचे व्हॅल्युएशन केल्ले आसात. जेन्ना सुद्दां आतां फुडें सुद्दां आपयतले किंवा कितें केलें जाल्यार हांव अवश्य वयतलो. कित्याक जे जाता तेंची तसल्ली जावप पळय न्ही, तांकां जर अजुनूय कितें दिसता आमचे बद्दल ज्यो कितें क्वेरी आसल्यो, ज्यो कसल्यो कंप्लेन आसल्यो, ज्यो पर्यंत तांकां तसल्ली जायना तो पर्यंत इन्क्वायरी करूं न्ही. आमचे कडेन कांय लिपोवपाचें कांय ना तितून.
सर्च केला आनी आमी तांकां फूल कॉपरेशन दिलां. ही केस गेली 7 वर्सां जाली चलत आसा. आनी आयज इतली हें जावन तेणें आयज तेंची ऑफिशियल हें घेवन ते येयल्ले सर्च करपाक. सगळें सर्च केलां आनी सगळें घेवन गेले. ते कितें कितें आसा तें बरोवन घेतलां. फर्निचर कितें सगळें तें
गाडी बिडी चेक केला.
गाडी सगळी हांगा भितर कितें सगळें चेक केलें. कांय सील करूं ना.
काँग्रेस म्हणटा हे सगळ्या विरोधकांचो आवाज बंद करपाक चल्ला.
Why raid now? If there was any prima facie evidence against Babu Kolekar, why are you waiting for last 3-4 years? The timing is suspicious. If investigation is being done under Prevention of Corruption Act, it does not take so long time for investigation. And if it is land connected in Kerala, which allegedly as per the reports he has purchased, how much time the investigation machinery requires to measure that land? Now I learned they are giving threats to our MLAs that they will file cases against them if they do not fall in line. Where is the question of arresting? Where is the question of arresting? Let us see. And why, after all these years today, obviously it is very clear, to threaten the opposition, silence in the sense, they are threatening indirectly the opposition.
Bureau Report, Prudent.